Hello my dear students, I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Creator. I am also well. At first I would like to give a special thanks to the authority of Bhanga Virtual School. They have created such a great opportunity for you to take part virtual class, and I welcome all of you to Bhanga Virtual class. I am Joydev Kumar Pal, Assistant Teacher, English Morning Shift, Bhanga Gov Pilot High School, Bhanga, Phulpur. And I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty Creator. I am also well. So let's start our class, dear students. You can see my identification on the screen. All of you know my identification. I have already given my identification. My name is Joydev Kumar Pal, Assistant Teacher English Morning Shift, Bhanga Gov Pilot High School, Bhanga, Phulpur. So dear students, this class will be for the students of class 9 and 10, and subject English first paper, and time will be only 30 minutes. Okay, so I hope that all of you are ready with your EFT, and take your EFT English for today textbook, your notebook and your pen. Okay, so dear students, can you see the picture? I think it is clear to you. Have you ever seen the photo of the man? Have you ever seen the photo of the man? I think you can identify the man. You can see. And can anyone tell the name of the man? He is a very known figure to our country, and all of we know the name of the person. Okay. So I hope that you will be able to tell the name of the person. Okay, students. Yes, you are right. He is Zohir Rayhan, a talented filmmaker in our country. And today our lesson, Unit 10, Lesson 4, and title They Had Dreams Too, and page 136. So get ready with your EFT. I hope that you will be very attentive to the class, and the class will be very effective, very fruitful for you. Okay, let's start our class. Hey students, at the very beginning of the class, I would like to introduce yourself to the learning outcomes. These are the learning outcomes. After finishing the class, I hope that you will be able to develop your skills on this topic. You will be able to read and understand the text, learn and tell the meaning of some new words, complete the information transfer table, answer some questions, and practice passive voice. That is a grammatical item. Practice passive voice. Okay. So, as usually, I will start my class introducing some key words of the passage. These keywords will be very effective, very fruitful for you to understand the passage, and I hope that you will be able to guess the meaning of the key words. Okay, so movement, possession, prison, autocrat, poetry, symbol, conspiracy, appreciate, genocide, and collaborate. These are some key words. We will discuss now the meaning and the uses of the key words. Okay, so the very first word, movement. You know, movement is related to some protesting activities. Okay, when some people just show their protest in a formal way, you can see some photos of movement. So protesting activities. Movement means protesting activities to establish the rights and opportunities. Okay. So these activities is called movement. Next, possession. Possession, a number of people moving forward and demanding something in their favor. Okay. This type of protesting activities, just a large number of people when go to the road and move forward, march forward, they give slogan, they demand something in their favor. This activities is called possession. Okay, so you can see the photo of some possessions. Next one is prison. Okay, prison is just a building in which criminals are kept for their crimes they commit. Okay, and some people wait here to get their judgment or trial. Okay, so a building in which people or criminals are legally kept a punishment for crimes they have committed or while awaiting for trial or judgment. This is called prison. And autocrat. Autocrat, a ruler who has absolute power of a organization and general people have no right to oppose him. This type of people is autocrat. Autocrat means he holds the absolute power of an organization or a society or a country or a nation, and general people have no rights to oppose him. This type of people is called autocrat. Next, portrait. Portrait means depict or present something or someone in a work of art, of literature in an artistic way by words or by describing in a realistic way. Draw a picture by words in a work of art. So portrait means to draw or paint something, not by using some words in a work of literature. Okay, this is called portrait. And next one, symbol. You know, symbol means token or sign or mark. This flower symbolizes purity, innocence, love, all these things, friendship. This symbol symbolizes money, and this symbolizes the protesting activities. Okay, so a thing that presents or stands for something else, especially a material object presenting something abstract. Okay, so material object, it presents something abstract thing. Okay, this sign is called symbol. Okay, conspiracy. Conspiracy means a secret plan made by a group or some people to do something unlawful or harmful for someone. Okay, this type of activity is called conspiracy. And appreciate. Appreciate means praise or admire. Support someone by praising his work or his effort, etc. Okay, this type of activities is called appreciate. And genocide. Genocide is a very common word, and especially in this text we will find this word genocide very especially. Genocide means killing a large group of people, especially particular ethnic group or a nation. When these activities of killing a huge number of people, especially of a ethnic group or a nation, these activities is called genocide. Okay, and the word collaborate. Collaborate means to assist something, but in the passage we will find collaborate in a negative sense. Okay, because here we will find the word collaborate, it will identify, it will indicate some persons who made a secret plan to do harmful for someone. Okay, so this collaborate will be used in the passage in a negative sense, to assist someone. And students, this is time for our passage. I hope that you have understood the keywords, and these keywords will be very effective, very fruitful for you to understand the passage. Okay, now I will go through the passage. Be very attentive and get ready for the passage. Okay, Joy Ryan was one of the most talented filmmakers in Bangladesh. Joy Ryan was one of the most talented filmmakers. All of you know that when we use one of the plural form of the nouns. So Joy Ryan was one of the most talented filmmakers. So who was Joy Ryan? Joy Ryan was most talented filmmakers in Bangladesh. Okay, he was born on 19 August 1935 in the village Majupur in Feni district. Okay, he was an active worker of the language movement. So Joy Ryan was not only a filmmaker, he was also an active worker, activist of our language movement. Okay, we will see the active participation of this person Joy Ryan in language movement, is mass movement and war of liberation also. So he was one of the 10 students to go out in a procession on 21st February 1952, despite a ban on such activities imposed by the authorities. So all of you know that there was a possessions on 21st February 1952 demanding Bangla as a state language, and the police opened fire on these possessions and some students died at the spot and some students were arrested and taken to the prison. So Joy Ryan was also present in the possessions and he was also arrested and taken to the prison on the day. So he was an active member, activist on our language movement. Okay. As a result, he and many others were arrested and taken to prison. Ryan was also present at the historical meeting of Amtola on 21st February 1952. We know all that there was a meeting on Amtola before the possessions, and after meeting the possessions, some students brought out the possessions and Joy Ryan was also present on the meeting on Amtola. Okay, meeting of Amtola, historical meeting. He also took part in the mass movement in 1969, and after 1952 he also took part in our mass movement 1969. In 1971 he joined the Liberation War, and finally he took part our War of Liberation. Okay, and so we can show he was a freedom fighter also. Throughout his life, Joy Ryan dreamt of a democratic society, a society that would ensure freedom of speech. So Joy Ryan had also a dream, because from the title of the lesson we come to know that Joy Ryan was also a dream of a democratic society where there will be freedom of speech. Okay, he has many dreams about our film industry too. So she had also many dreams about our film industry. জীবন থেকে নেওয়া, based on the language movement on 1952. He made a legendary film. All of you know the name of language movement, জীবন থেকে নেওয়া. It is a legendary film, জীবন থেকে নেওয়া, and this film was made on the basis of our language movement. Okay, it was a protest against the autocratic government then ruling our country. So this film was very symbolic. This film just represented the situation of the country in 1952 or after the language movement. Okay, so it was a protest. This film was a protest. Can you think a film also can be a means of protest? Okay, so it was a protest against the autocratic government, of the ruling country. Okay, so there is a portrait of a family. The family portrait in that film symbolically represent East Pakistan. So there is a portrait of family. So there is a depiction of a family, and this family symbolically represent East Pakistan. Okay, the family was ruled by an autocrat. The family was ruled by an autocrat, especially by a woman who had to go to prison for her conspiracy. And the last part we find that the woman had to go to prison for her conspiracy. Okay. During the Liberation War in 1971, this film was shown outside Bangladesh. This film was shown outside Bangladesh in 1971. Why? Because celebrated filmmakers like Satyajit Ray, Mrinal Sen and Hrithik Ghatak appreciated the film. Okay, so the celebrated filmmakers, the director Satyajit Ray, Hrithik Ghatak also praised this film of Joy Ryan. Ryan gave all the money to the film made to the Freedom Fighters Trust. So all the money he earned from the film, he just contributed for the freedom fighters. Besides his great documentary on Pakistani politicians Stop Genocide, there is the reference of genocide. Stop genocide. It is a not a film. It is a documentary. Okay, dear students, for the disturbance of the class. Okay. Stop genocide helped create world sentiment in favor of our liberation war. So he also made a legendary document on our document Stop Genocide, and this film documentary Stop Genocide helped to create the world sentiment in favor of our liberation war. On 13 December 1971, someone informed Ryan about an address somewhere at Mirpur where he might find his brother, the famous writer Shahidullah Kaisar. Shahidullah Kaisar was his brother, and he was missing from the 14 December 1971. And someone informed him that he might find his brother if he goes to the address at Mirpur. But unfortunately, who had gone missing from 14 December 1917? Who means Shahidullah Kaisar. Kaisar was captured and killed by the Pakistani army and the local collaborators. They are students collaborators. That means some person who made conspiracy against the freedom of our country. The collaborated during the last days of the war. Accordingly, Ryan left home to get his brother back, but he never returned. This is a very tragedy that just after freedom of our country, on 13 December, someone informed Joyran that he may find his brother to some address at Mirpur, and Ryan left home to get his brother back, but he never returned. But Joyran also never returned to his free country. Okay. Joyran's dream was fulfilled. Joyran's dream was fulfilled. He could see the emergence of an independent Bangladesh, though he did not get back his brother. It is a very tragedy. He was able to see the beginning of our free country, but he would not be able to return his missing brother, Shahidullah Kaisar. And it is a pity that this dreamer could not live to see his dream come true. And it is a tragedy that this dreamer is no more with us. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay. So dear students, now we will just go through some images, just these images of some events mentioned in the passage. Okay, there is the mention of our language movement 1952. You can see some images. These images are related to our passage, and there is the reference of language movement. Okay, Joyran was an active member of the language movement. He was one of the 10 students to go out a procession on 21st February 1952, and he was arrested and taken to prison. So these are the related images or pictures of language movement 1952. Okay. So historical meeting of Amtola on 21st February 1952. So these are the pictures. It is the pictures of historical meeting Amtola. Okay. Joyran was also present at the historical meeting of Amtola on 21st February 1952. These are the images through historical meeting Amtola. Okay. So dear students, mass movement 1969. Okay. So these are the pictures related to mass movement. Okay. Mass movement in 1969. Joyran also took part in the mass movement of Bangladesh in 1969. And you can also see some images of liberation war of Bangladesh 1971. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman on 7th March is giving his historical speech and some historical moment for the surrender of the Pakistani army. Zoe Ryan joined the liberation of Bangladesh in 1971. So, from the very beginning of our Bangladesh country, from 1952 1971, we see the active participation of Zoe Ryan in every movement related to our liberation. Okay, so these are the some images related to the passage and the very legendary film জীবন থেকে নেওয়া, legendary film জীবন থেকে নেওয়া. You can see the poster of the legendary film জীবন থেকে নেওয়া. His legendary film জীবন থেকে নেওয়া was protest. This film was actually protest against the autocrat government then ruling our country. This film symbolically was a protest of against the autocrat government of the ruling party. So you can see the poster or images and the very famous personality of our country, Shahidullah Kaisar. Dr. Shahidullah Kaisar, he is an intellect and he just was brother of Zoe Ryan. Shahidullah Kaisar, brother of Zoe Ryan, a great intellect of Bangladesh. He was a great writer. He had gone missing from 14 December 1971. So these are the images of, this is the photo of Shahidullah Kaisar. And dear students, now it is a time for our classroom activities. I hope that you are ready with your notebook and pen, and I hope that you will just take part in class activities. Complete the following table below with the information from the passage. Okay, so there is a table, information table for you. Zoe Ryan participating famous as best documentary movie based on language movement, missing since his dream. Just you have to take the information from the passage and you have to just write the correct information in the correct box. Okay, so try to do it. It is very hot today. There is, so I am sweating for the disturbance of the class. I'm sorry, really. So dear students, I hope that you will just do these classroom activities, this information transfer from our, from our learning outcomes. We know you will be able to do this information transfer table. Okay, so take part in classroom activities. Okay dear students, now we can go through the answer. Participated in language movement 1952, historical meeting of Amtala 1952, language movement in 1969, liberation war 1971. Famous as, he is very famous as talented filmmaker. Though he was an active member of a liberation war, but especially he is known as talented filmmaker. His best documentary, Stop Genocide. Stop Genocide. Movie based on language movement, জীবন থেকে নেওয়া, missing since 13 December 1971. His dream, a democratic society, and about our film industry. So check your answer and match the answer you have written on your answer script. So dear students, we can go to our next step. Yes, grammar. This is our grammatical item, and in grammatical item we will just discuss about the structure of active voice and passive voice. You know, the when subject does the work, this sentence is called active voice, and when subject does not do the work, this sentence is called passive voice. So in passive voice, subject does not do the work. Okay, for example, when the subject of the sentence does the action of the sentence, it is called active voice. For example, Twin follows the rules of health. Here the follows action is completed by Twin. Twin is subject and Twin does the action follow. So this is the active voice. And passive voice, when the subject of the sentence does not do the action of the sentence, it is called passive voice. Okay, the rules of health are followed by Twin. This action follow, Twin does the action followed, but Twin here is not subject. Okay, Twin here is used as object. So this sentence is example of passive voice. So So a structure in passive voice, preference is given on object instead of subject. Okay, preference is given on object instead of subject. For example, Pritilata was assigned to lead a team by Surjo Sen. So the structure subject, be verb, am is or was or, past participle form of verb, extension, by, and object. Okay, so these are the example of structure, example and structure of passive voice. And now exercise for you. Surjo Sen assigned Pritilata to attack the European club. Just write the answer. Surjo Sen assigned Pritilata. So Pritilata here is object. You know the object of active voice becomes subject of passive voice, and the subject of active voice becomes the passive of object of passive voice. So the answer will be Pritilata was assigned. Pritilata, verb was verb, past participle form of verb assigned by the subject. Surjo Sen has become object and the extension to attack the European club. So these are the our grammatical item. Now dear students, it is time for your evaluation. I will ask the word meaning. I have already discussed the meaning of the words at the very beginning of our class, and I hope that you will be able to answer the following word meaning and the questions. So dear students, tell the meaning of this word. Tell the meaning of these words, and I hope that you will be able to tell. Tell the meaning of the word movement. Yes. Possession. There is a spelling mistake. I'm sorry. Possession. Prison. Autocrat. Portrait. Symbol. Autocracy. Appreciate. Genocide. Collaborate. I've already discussed the meaning of the words, and I hope that you will be able to answer the following words. Okay. Now, dear students, there are some questions. You have to answer the following questions, and this is, I hope that you will be able to answer the following questions. Okay. Who was Joy Ryan? Who was Joy Ryan? Yes, you can say who was Joy Ryan. When was he born? The time. When was he born? Where was he born? The place. Where was he born? You have to write the answer. He was born. In the interrogative sentence, at first we find the auxiliary verb and then subject. But when you will write the answer, you will write the answer in assertive sentence. So, sorry.